Car is running, very quiet, it runs perfectly. It's the original matching motor. Vinyl roof is the original vinyl roof. Car has one repaint done 1 year ago. Body is beautiful. Original floors, original trunk. Never been rotted or rusted. The original vinyl roof.